Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, a very good evening to everybody out there. So, this video is for all those fresh law graduates who are looking out for a job switch or who want to be an in-house counsel, but coming as a fresh law graduate or you are working with some of the litigation industry or in any other industry, but you really want to switch as in like how you can be an in-house counsel, what all you can do, what all skill set that you can acquire that can actually help you land a job as an in-house counsel. So I think I have started a series where I'm going to tell you all the tips and techniques, all the tricks, all the skill set that is actually required to be an in-house counsel. I myself, when I graduated from my law school, I was also a first gen lawyer and I really didn't wanted to go in the litigation industry. So obviously one of the option that is left is the non-litigation industry. So that is what we have, the in-house part, that what we call it as an in-house. So I was also blank as like 99% or the majority of uh, the fresh law graduates, like everybody's totally blank. Okay, now I want to be a corporate lawyer, but I really don't know what should I do. So I've started this particular series where I'm going to tell you, okay, these are the skill sets that you can acquire. This is how you can turn your CV that is specific to the in-house industries. These are the internships probably that you can do, and so that we are not wasting the time and we are hitting our target like correctly in the right manner, in the right direction. So in today's session, in today's part, we're going to talk about in-house, like okay, what are the important skill set that is required. So when we talk about in-house counsels, so we want to understand like what are the important skill sets that is required. So skill sets, so whenever we talk about skill set, obviously all the fresh law graduates and probably everybody who have passed out their law, you guys will understand and you guys will know, uh everybody have heard about this term, contract. Okay, and what all contract, like we have read about Contract Act 1872. This is what we are taught in a law school. Like law school will tell you, okay, this is what the Bear Act is, these are the sections, and here we go. But whenever you will go and work as an in-house counsel, you will see this Bear Act won't help. Learning about Contract Act won't help, probably 2%, but our aim is 100%. We want to get in as an in-house counsel 100% once we graduate. So, okay. So now what should I do? What should I do to get in as an in-house counsel where I'm not wasting my time, right? I myself, when I graduated from my law school, I have probably wasted more than a year, like figuring it out. Okay, these are the opportunities. This is what in-house counsel role looks like. This is what it's a post execution, pre execution. So things like that. Okay, and nobody was there to help and assist. Like, where should I go? Whom should I reach out? Like, okay, I don't know anything about in-house counsel. Can anybody help? You can search anything over the internet, but you won't understand. You won't get, okay, this is what in-house counsel opportunity looks like. Okay. When we talk about the actual skill set, okay, like what should I learn? What should I do to be an in-house counsel? So 99% of the people will say, I will learn about contract drafting. I myself, when I was in a law school, majorly, like major people were coming to me and telling me this fact. Okay, you can learn about contract drafting, you can learn about contract drafting, it's the most important skills, but that is 110% wrong. Whenever you want to be an in-house counsel, if your aim is to be an in-house counsel, you don't actually require this particular skill set as a majority. Like what do we understand? So if for example I have this, and okay, and we have to particularly divide it into three parts. Okay, okay. Now when we talk about this, this is 45%, this is 45%, okay, and this is 10%. Where do you think I should put contract drafting, here, here, or here? So according to our law schools, according to what I have heard from my seniors while being a fresh law graduate or while I was in my law school, was contract drafting is like the most important. So probably according to them, contract drafting should come in both the categories. So that's like I think this is what I have been taught. This is what you guys have listened to people, to seniors and everybody. Like, okay, learn about contract drafting and you'll ace in everything. So that's not the case. Skill set. Okay. So when we talk about contract drafting or what should we learn under Contract Act is the practicality of it. Practical set, practical skill set. So when we talk about in-house counsel skills, it is divided into three. The first most important skill is contract redlining, or what we call it as a contract vetting. Then comes contract negotiation. In the end, we have contract drafting. If I give it a percentage, so it's like 45 here, 45 here, and rest 10% here. So yeah, I think this was also a shocker for me when I heard about, like, okay, learn about contract redlining. So I was not even aware, okay, what is contract redlining? What is contract negotiations? So I was not even aware, okay, what is it? I have learned about Contract Act 1872. I know about the Bear Act. I know about various of its sections, but I'm not aware about contract redlining. What is redlining? What is negotiation? Drafting, I've probably heard during my law school, but these two terms are like totally fresh and new, right? Trust me when I say this. If you want to be an in-house counsel, focus on this. Focus on the right skill area. Focus on what is the actual requirement. When I say actual requirement, you need to have an understanding of contract redlining, contract negotiations as a majority. As a majority. If you want to be an in-house counsel, just start learning these particular skills. Start focusing on contract redlining, start focusing on contract negotiations, and then focus on contract drafting. Now, contract drafting, okay, as I have said, 45, 45, 10%. So whosoever, if you want to go as a self-paced learning, just go over the internet, try searching, try learning about contract redlining, contract negotiations, contract drafting, and do it. These three are the topmost skill set that is required to be an in-house counsel. If you are actually wanting to be an in-house counsel, just go and hit in the right direction. Don't waste your time. Don't focus just on contract drafting. It won't help. It will help merely 10%. But our goal is to get through in-house counsel to be 100%. That's right. So just focus on the right skill set. I am surely here to help and assist. You'll have my number over the screen. We also help people. So obviously this series and none of the videos that I'll be posting, none of it is a promotional video. I'm just here to help you guys out. I'm just here to help all the fresh law graduates who are first gen lawyers or who are working in the litigation industry who want to be an in-house counsel, but you really don't know, okay, what should I do, where should I go, whom should I reach out, where will I get the assistance. If you want to do it as a self-paced, you can surely just hit these skill set and you'll yourself see getting opportunities, getting a lot of opportunities. But if you are looking out for any help and assistance in learning these skills on live drafts, all these skills on live draft and live session, just reach out to me and I'll be happy to help. Like, it's been almost more than 2.5 years now, and we have successfully helped more than 600 people, 600 categories of people, coming from a fresh law graduates, coming from a litigation industry, coming from a post execution process, working with an LPOs. So if you want to do it on your own, don't waste your time. Just hit on these skill set and you'll yourself see, like, okay, I now can do a lot of things. Majority of the JDs, majority of the job description that you will see, that will surely have, you need to know about how to review a contract, how to redline a contract, and negotiate on a contract. These are the three topmost requirements when you go and search for in-house counsel opportunity. Drafting is something I'll tell you in the next part, like why drafting is not important. What is the core reason behind it? Why drafting? I am saying you should focus on these two skills rather than drafting, because drafting is something that will merely help you 5 to 10% depending on the industry, but contract redlining and negotiation is something that will surely help you a lot. When I say a lot, so it will surely get you closer to your goal. So if you are looking out for any help or assistance, just reach out to me. You'll have my number in the description box, or you guys can search me over the LinkedIn. My name is Achal Agarwal. You guys can DM me on the LinkedIn and I'll surely help you guys out. And my digits are 8860 242044. So if you are looking out for any kind of help and assistance, just ping me over the WhatsApp and we can set up a call and we can discuss it further. Thank you so much for watching this part. I'll soon be posting regularly content on in-house counsel, like how one can be an in-house counsel without wasting your precious time, because as soon as you graduate, so you'll get a lot of time. But if you are wasting that particular time, so that PQE, post qualification experience, that matters a lot. So I don't want what I did, like I wasted my time, so I don't want anybody to waste their time who are not having anybody to talk to, who are not having anybody whom they can seek for help. So if you are looking out for any help, just, you have my name, you have my number, just reach out. And thank you so much for today's part. Signing off, and I'll soon post the second part of this. Thank you so much.